Yes, welcome back. Marlon McLeod with you on Freedom Guider. Now, today we're going to speak about ClickFunnel. What's ClickFunnel? ClickFunnel is basically a software that allows you to build a sales funnel for promoting, selling, and giving services online. Let me just move this thing out of the way. Okay. Now, there are many differences between a website and a funnel. Now, take a look at the screen. Now, this is my website. On my website, I have different branches. A customer can come and look through, navigate here and there, buy something, and not buy something, and move off or get distracted to do something else. That's some of the things that are specific for a website. So I have different categories here. See, different categories on my website. I have YouTube videos, Twitter account, Pinterest, and so forth, and they go through. Now, with a funnel, it's more specific, and that's why I love ClickFunnel. It keeps the customer on a specific path that you want him to be on. For example, this is the out product of my ClickFunnel. So whenever someone clicks my specific link, they'll be taken to this specific funnel. On this funnel, they will read through, put their email address, which is very important for later on marketing. A website is slightly different. If you go back here, they can go through my website, navigate. If they like, they can subscribe for my free online book. And to be realistic, maybe 5 to 20% of people will subscribe to get my email book. Then I can do upcoming marketing services with them. Now with ClickFunnel, it's totally different. They are prompt to put their email in, and they are carried through a specific route. So these are some of the differences between ClickFunnel and having a normal website. So here we have. Okay, when you sign up for ClickFunnel, you'll get a 14 days trial experience, which is amazing. Then you will have two paths. Path 1, to subscribe on a $97 per month, where you have limited services, and on the other path you have unlimited services of about $297 monthly. And as you can see here, my contacts, my pages that people have visited here, and how many funnels. Now with a $97 subscription, you are limited to only 20 funnels. Okay, now let me walk you through different areas of the ClickFunnel platform. Now here we go, ClickFunnel funnels. Now here we have on the left a few of my funnels. I've named my funnels, and I will not go into depth for each labeling and the funnel specification, so I'll just give you a general run through. Now if you're in need of a funnel from scratch, you can go here, click add new funnel. When you go, you have the option of choosing either to start a cookbook or to create a new funnel from scratch, and it's up to you. For me personally, I focus on affiliate marketing, so I'll stick to creating a funnel from scratch. That helps me to maneuver, that helps me to put logos, wording the way I want it, and the way it fits in with the affiliate vendor that I'm promoting. So if your aim is to collect email address, I would advise you clicking this. Click, put a name, say new cards. Then you can tag it later to know where your where this funnel is. So put maybe cards as you like. It's up to you. This allows you to remember where your ClickFunnel is located later on. So I'll go to build. When I go in this section, 1 minute, it's just loading. Okay, here they say over max funnel limited, so I'm unable to create. So I'll go to one of my old funnel to walk you through what I have created before. So here, one of my used funnels. So you mark here on my page, you can see funnels 20 out of 20. That's the limit for me. If I was to go to upgrade this platform to unlimited funnels, I would get, you know, countless funnels platforms for about $297. But because of my current situation of just promoting a few affiliates product through this platform, I have just stick to this basic subscription, which is good. I have other things doing online, so I try to distribute my thoughts and my energy across the internet. Okay, so let me go to one of my created funnels, and I called it buffer page. Now in this funnel, I am advertising a loss weight product. Here you can see the address, the URL of the funnel. If I was to put the funnel address in the address bar, that will take me to my funnel directly. Okay, and as you can see, this is the output. This is the page that my customers will come directly to, where they will put their email address and they'll be taken to my affiliate link. And this is one of the beauty of having a funnel. So they go through a specific route to a specific ending. Good. So they'll be taken to one of my affiliate marketing vendor website and so forth. Now within my funnel, I'll give you the back actions of my funnel a bit. Just yes, it's opening. Okay. Yes. So here we have the behind the scenes. So here you can specify whatever you like. You can alter this, put different wordings, up to you. But I should say, make sure that the information that you have in this funnel coincides with the information on the website later. This is to avoid any confusion for your customers and anyone that's hoping to buy products when they go through your funnel, because if there's any form of discrepancy, people might just turn away and be doubtful about the whole selling procedure, and you end up losing a buyer. So here we have the funnel page from the back. Here we can adjust this. Put the email address here. We can adjust it accordingly. You can play around to know more. Increase the margin. Can you see that going up? Okay, increase the margin to make it look elite and, you know, eye-catching. So you can change this as you wish. You click settings and so forth. Here you can put action button, which is to submit the form to my Aweber. And importantly, I'm currently linked to Aweber. Aweber is a emailing platform. So after I capture someone's email on this page, the information is stored on Aweber. Later on, I'll go to Aweber and I'll send information, promotion on a daily, monthly, yearly basis to my customers. And very importantly, integration. If you click this option, you'll be taken to the Aweber section of the funnel, so you can integrate. Now if you have a Facebook opt-in page, you can add it here, so customers that comes from Facebook can put their information, whether their email address, their full names, directly through this funnel. Okay, so I'll go and I'll select Aweber. Yes. Then I'll go select integration existing form. I'll click that. Then I'll choose the form that I would like this customer to be added to. So I'll go here and I'll click this. Yeah. Do not forget to click save. It's extremely important that you save your information before you exit the funnel from the back end. So I click save. Okay. Then I'll go to exit. And that's it. Yes. And also, another point to make before I go back. It's important that you put your affiliate link in this particular place in the funnel. If you're promoting a particular product as an affiliate, it's important that you put the affiliate link in this area, so that when they are when your customer clicks this link, it will take the customer to the vendor's website where they can purchase the products. And I'll give you, so make sure that you put your link, your affiliate link, unique link, whether from ClickBank, whether from Amazon, whether from any affiliate marketing platforms you go. Remember to put the link here so that people can click it and be taken to the other website. So we click save, save it, then we'll exit. Now let me show you something. Okay. Now when you come back here, as I've said before, this is the link that you'll take from whichever domain seller, whether GoDaddy, Bluehost, as you like, and you put your domain name here. This is what people will click on to get to this funnel. Then they'll come, add their email address in, then they'll be directed to the vendor's selling page, and that's where you end. You have just collected someone's email in order for them to be email marketed later on in the weeks or months as you like. So if I were to come here and click, this will show you the product again, okay, of my funnel, and this is specific. This keeps the seller on a specific course to the other website, which is of the vendor, and that's a process. So I'll just guide, I'll just run through other funnels that I've created where I promote different products that are on ClickBank and other platforms. So here, this is another product that I have. It's woodwork, different types of woodwork. Look, different types of woodwork you can see and so forth. So they answer this questionnaire and they're taken to the seller's website. And if the customer makes a payment, I receive 10%, 15%, up to maybe 50% of the purchase amount of sales. So here we go. That's another funnel that I have created, and so forth. So we have different funnels. Now here you see the word contacts. Now contacts states the amount of people who have come and put their email address on my funnels. So for my lifetime, I have about 35 people coming and putting their emails on my funnels. Okay? Sales. Another important item that I should highlight is the account setting. Now in the account setting, you have account billing, you have notification, account history, page templates, digital access, integration, as I was mentioning before with Aweber, payment platform gateway. This is where, if you're a vendor, you link your vending items to your ClickFunnels account. So whenever people buys a product, they pay through your ClickFunnels platform. This is very important, very good. And this is email integration. This allows you to send emails after through marketing that can help you to get extra income at the end of the day. And here we have domains. There are two options for domains. One, you can buy a domain from ClickFunnels, or you can buy a domain from any other domain sellers. So here you can see a few of my domain here, and I'll go through how you can get a domain from a seller other than ClickFunnels in the upcoming lessons. So here's some of my domains which are unique to my funnel. So I buy my domains whether from ClickFunnels or GoDaddy. I embed them here with my funnel, so whenever someone clicks on the link, it takes them to the funnel. They come to the funnel, which is also considered a capture page. So they come on my capture page, they drop their email, they go to my affiliate link, they click it, then they go to the seller's website, and so forth. And that's generally it with ClickFunnels. It's an amazing website. Another thing I should mention is affiliate programs. ClickFunnels has many affiliate programs that you can opt to join. When you sign up through the link that I'm going to give you below, you'll get a 14-day trial where you can feel out the product, jump around, see what it's like. After that, you'll be charged on a monthly basis, whether the $97 basis or the $297 subscription platform, which is according to your own personal goals and so forth. So here is the affiliate programs that are being offered. One, this guy's going to give you a briefing about the affiliate programs. Can you all say? He's going to talk about
Hey, my name is Russell Brunson. I want to welcome you.
Great guy, man. Then you have different affiliate programs that they have. This is one. This is another. This is another. So this is another. So keep in mind, you're benefiting in different ways. You have your funnels, then you spread your link so that other people can be an affiliate of this program. So whenever anyone purchases or subscribe to any of the programs that they have on ClickFunnels, you'll be getting commission for being the one that introduce these people to ClickFunnels. So that's an option that you can look into when you want to promote ClickFunnels and get some extra income. So I think you get about $30 for anyone that signs up under your link. I can double check that later on. So these are some of the differences between having a website freedom guider and a funnel, which would be like this. Funnel will be more specific. Someone can be easily lost through a website and so forth. But I love ClickFunnels. It's specific, it gets to the point, and it's just amazing. So thank you for watching. Give me your comments about these videos. If you have any video, any thought that you think it's important that I highlight, please put it in the comments below. Give me a like if you like the video. Share it with your friends. That will take this channel a far way and give me more power or more insight to produce more videos that are beneficial and valuable to you. Thank you for watching and see you later. Marlon McLeod, Freedom Guider. Bye.